Hello Dnation and welcome back to a special unbox and review episode. In today's episode, I'm going to be unboxing a 1/64th scale Demolition doubles monster truck set of steerclear versus Spur of the Moment, which are manufactured by Hot Wheels, and these are premium 2019 collector's edition monster trucks that are trending worldwide. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These premium Hot Wheels monster truck come in the signature Hot Wheels Demolition Doubles 2-pack blister packaging with all the product branding and information. And as you can see, this is from the 2019 Hot Wheels series, so let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these little monsters free. And with that out of the way, and as we get this open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, in today's Monster Truck episode, we are taking a look at steerclear versus Spur of the Moment, which are theme trucks from the Wild West. And at first glance, these diecast monster trucks look quite premium and have an amazing build quality to them, and also have quite a bit of detailing such as unique body kits which comes with some amazing and stunning graphics and decals, sturdy built chassis and roll cage, premium quality rims with bead locks that match the Massive Rubber Tyres. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which make them premium looking. And these models have a beautiful build quality, and they measure in at 4 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2.5 inches in width, and weigh in at about 286 grams on average depending on the model. Well, I'm really excited and still amazed with how beautiful and amazing these little monsters look. So let's go ahead and take a look at the exteriors of these little monsters. And to begin with, this is Spur of the Moment, which is from the 2019 Monster Truck collection, and this truck looks quite amazing with the cowboy themed graphics and decals, which looks stunning and matches the double set, and moreover I love the awesome themed graphics and decals on this one. And moving on, this is steerclear, which is also from the Hot Wheels 2019 Demolition Double Series, and by the looks of it, this truck looks like a bull-themed truck from the Wild West, hence the name to depict everyone to get out of its way. Well, I love the bodywork and the amazing themed graphics on this one, and I'm amazed with the amount of thought and details put into this truck, which looks simply amazing. Well, this Demolition Double set really complements each other based on the Wild West theme, and I love this set as it's unique and it's a definite must-have for any collector. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm still awestruck by the amount of details, graphics and whatnot on these premium 1/64th scale monster trucks. I'm amazed and can't wait to unbox and review the remainder of the Demolition doubles in this series, and this is just one of the 8 Hot Wheel monster truck episodes I've got in store for you. So stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium monster truck episodes coming up. And so with that being said, let's check out the wheel spin and functionality of these premium trucks, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these Hot Wheel monster trucks in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these little monster trucks. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast monsters on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. A monster truck is a specialized truck with a heavy-duty suspension, four-wheel steering and oversized tires constructed for competition and entertainment uses. Originally created by modifying stock pickup trucks and sports utility vehicles, they have evolved into purpose-built vehicles with tube frame chassis and fiberglass bodies rather than metal. A competition monster truck is typically 12 feet tall and equipped with 66-inch off-road tires. Monster trucks were developed in the late 1970s and came into the public eye in the early 1980s as side acts at popular motocross, tractor pulling and mud bogging events where they were used in car crushing demolitions. Today, there are usually main attractions with motocross, mud bogging, ATV racing and demolition derbies as supportive events. And what you are looking at now is the 2019 edition of Diecast monster truck replica models manufactured by Hot Wheels. And for further information on monster trucks, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this Hot Wheels monster truck set that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these premium Hot Wheel monster trucks is your favorite. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and I just wanted you to know that all this is possible only because of the encouragement and the support I get from you. So please continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos, and please do check out the rest of the Hot Wheels monster truck episodes in the playlist below. Go big, go Hot Wheels! And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheels monster trucks coming up next. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.